Let's learn how to watch YouTube videos without watching advertisements. From simple tricks. So currently we are on a YouTube page. So you guys can see here this is the home page for YouTube, and if you visit here more trending videos, so mostly all these videos has got lot of views like 22 millions, 1.6 million, 6.4 millions. So mostly these are all well reputed channels already, and they will have a lot of advertisements. While if you want to view these kind of videos, so let's see with our simple tricks whether these videos have any advertisements or not. For example, we take this second video which has got almost like a few thousand views already. That is, see, there is no advertisements coming up, and also there is no pop-up also comes on the video. You guys can see it here. And also there is no side page views also, advertisements also. Is very clear, only YouTube page without any advertisements. So there is no advertisement whether in video or on video or on the page, anywhere else you don't see any advertisements. For example, if you go back to the Google Chrome and we go to same video, more trending, and this is the video just now watched in other browser. So you can see here there is a advertisement coming already before the video begins, but just now we didn't see these advertisements. And also we go to down here, there is a one advertisement here also. We can see here why this ad. So this advertisement also was not seen in our trick. You can see here this sidebar is completely free of any kind of advertisements, is completely free. So you not only this video, you can go back and check any, for example, few more videos. We take it like, for example, another 17 million views already. Just watch this video. So there is nothing, you just see very clear already. There's no any kind of advertisements or any kind of disturbance for you guys, and this is completely free, and you no need to pay any YouTube premium package as well, and it is a very clean home page for YouTube. So if you want this, there is a simple trick, and you want to see some more couple of examples. The same video what we watched just now is actually I adopted every dog. So we can see the same video on the Google Chrome. Let's see what happens. I adopted, yeah, this is the one. So when we click this, we can see here first advertisement comes. So but just now when we watch another browser, there is no advertisements also, and we can see here there is a side advertisements already, sidebar advertisement. But all these things was completely taken out without running any script or without doing any magic or something. So you need a so-called is a Brave browser. So Brave browser, the best thing is actually this. With the Brave browser, it is actually more powerful than the Chrome. It is actually more faster than Chrome, and also it blocks all unwanted things, and it also faster than Google Chrome. For example, you guys can see this is the Brave browser home page. It's for me, it actually blocks already almost like 85,000 trackers and advertisement blocks, and also it saved for me almost like 3.5 GB my data, and also it saved my 1.2 hours time. This time save means there are some pop-up advertisements, or the browser becomes slow down because it has to run some script behind and all those things. So with all those things, it gives you some data, rough data, like how much you save by using this Brave browser. That's why if you install this Brave browser, you can not only this, even any other websites you visit also, you don't see any pop-ups, anything. For example, I can show you another site. It's so you just go to this blog here. So there is in this blog there, as you can see guys here, advertisements, and then on the top side, and when you click also there will be some advertisement comes on the page and all. So you just take this page and go to the Brave browser. You just paste here and see, no, very clean website you will get it. So no advertisements, nothing will be seen, only site content only you can see. That's why this Brave browser really helps a lot, and it will save a lot of time for you guys. So I actually list down some of the advantage of the Brave browser on my blog post. If you are interested, you can actually go and see it. So it is very clear. So the speed wise, and if you are concerned about whether it can we can run all the Chrome extensions, yes, you can, all the Chrome extensions can be added to the Brave browser. So there is no issue with the compatibility, and also it syncs all the devices, and the speed is best compared to even browser Chrome browser. And it all not only blocks advertisement from the YouTube, but also blocks all kind of pop-ups, advertisements from the sites, and make your browsing experience very fast and safe. So it also gives some kind of earning opportunity, but it is very less. For example, you guys can see here, so after using this month they gave around 3.5 BAT so far. So for the some of the advertisement they actually show on the sidebar. If you are interested only, you can click on it, then you can read. By reading that, they will pay you for some money, but if you are not interested, just ignore it. It will actually it will go off after a few seconds. So this is what the meaning of earning opportunity. And then okay, here if you don't have a Brave browser, please go and download from this page. So you just very simple, you go and click on this guy, go to the new browser, new tab. So this is the home page, you guys can see here. Just download this, and installation is very simple. Just click on next. It will finish off within few seconds. It is no complicated installation procedure, so it is very simple. And if you want more details about the what is the advantage of this Brave browser, you can actually go through on this home page. It's very good. So far my experience with the Brave is super convenient and super fast, and it blocks all unwanted things. So it actually gave us a lot of freedom, and you no need to install any kind of scripts or anything for blocking any advertisements. That is the main advantage of Brave browser. So you guys can see here there are so many, like it blocks harmful ads and trackers, and faster internet and browsing experience, more privacy, and also they actually integrated a Tor browser also. If you want, then you can actually go and install Tor browser as well. So all the advantages you can actually go through on this page, and you can install it. Once you install it, then you can come back on YouTube and then see is very without any ads. You can actually watch any videos, and no need to pay YouTube monthly premium for premium package for watching without advertisements or ads on it. So this is the best so far I found it. And you can see any video, you just watch it, and nothing, very clean things. See, nothing, no pop-ups, not no inline advertisement or in-page advertisements, nothing is seen here. So this is why it is the best, and you can actually go and download the Brave browser from here. And you can ask one more question, why I am trying to escape from the Google browser, that is Chrome browser. There are a few things. Once you use a Google, actually it can track you each and everything from morning, means day, throughout the day. So for example, if you use Android phone, you are already informing a Google that where your location information and your history of what are the things you are doing, and anytime you browse it, they will track all those things, and based on that they will give you advertisements or all those things. So this is and if you want switch to Brave browser, there is no tracking of all these your activities. That is the another advantage if you use the Brave browser. So you guys want, you can actually go through this blog post for some of the only some advantages I listed, and if you want you can Google search it. You will find a lot of benefits why you need to switch to Brave browser. So thank you for watching, and later I will add this this blog link in my video description. You guys can download, go to this page and you can download the Brave browser if you do not have it. If you already have it, then just switch from Chrome to Brave browser for watching your YouTube without any advertisements. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe and like my videos, and if possible you can share my videos to social media accounts. Thank you very much.